Alright guys, we're finishing up the all-wheel drive kit on this, and actually starting Monday guys, we're going to be doing a giveaway for our all-wheel drive kit, which will include the Delta 7 rear diff mount, and it will also include Alpha 6 trailing arms and also billet boards.
Almost like we should
be on the lookout. Giveaway starts Monday. It's gonna be a nice giveaway for anybody that wants to go all-wheel drive, and the price is just gonna be $5. $5 to jump on it, and lucky winner will have all-wheel drive kit. And this is only for EF, EG, DC, EM1, EK, DA, etc. CRS. Better listen when I tell you how I put time in it. Please forgive me, God did. So leave me in the dark, swimming with the sharks.